channel. Welcome back to our merry channel. Today, we're taking a step back in time to revisit a classic that set the standard for luxury, the Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. This iconic sedan still captures the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world with its timeless design and unmatched comfort. Before we dive into all the details, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Let's take a closer look at the Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. Overview. The Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, first introduced in the 1960s, is one of the most iconic luxury sedans of all time. Known for its opulent interior, smooth ride, and impeccable craftsmanship, the Silver Shadow revolutionized the luxury car market. While Rolls-Royce no longer produces the Silver Shadow, its legacy lives on as a symbol of automotive excellence. In this video, we're going to talk about what made this vehicle so special, focusing on the 2025 version, which continues to be revered by collectors and vintage car lovers. What's new for 2025? Pricing, engine, transmission, and performance. For 2025, the Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow hasn't undergone any major changes, as it's a classic that remains largely unchanged since its original production. However, modern-day collectors and enthusiasts can still find vintage models in excellent condition. Pricing for these vintage vehicles varies depending on condition and rarity, with well-maintained models reaching upwards of $50,000 or more. The Silver Shadow was originally powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering around 190 horsepower. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, it provides a smooth and effortless driving experience, one that epitomizes the magic carpet ride Rolls-Royce is famous for. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. As for fuel economy, the Silver Shadow was not the most efficient vehicle by modern standards. Expect around 10 miles per gallon in the city and 15 miles per gallon on the highway. While fuel efficiency is not the primary concern for a car of this caliber, the ride quality and craftsmanship more than make up for the fuel costs. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside the Silver Shadow, luxury is the name of the game. The cabin is a lavish affair, featuring hand-stitched leather seats, rich wood paneling, and plush carpets. The comfort level is extraordinary, with ample legroom and adjustable seats for both the driver and passengers. While the cargo space is modest, it's designed for the comfort of the occupants, rather than for practicality. Every inch of the interior was crafted to ensure that driving or riding in the Silver Shadow is an experience of true indulgence. Infotainment and connectivity. Being a classic vehicle, the Silver Shadow doesn't feature modern infotainment systems, but it was ahead of its time in offering luxury and attention to detail. Some models were fitted with early versions of stereo systems, but today's tech-savvy buyers may choose to upgrade the system while maintaining the vehicle's integrity. The focus was on comfort and driving pleasure, not on tech-heavy features, making the Silver Shadow an analog experience in a digital world. Safety and driver assistance features. As for safety, the Silver Shadow was designed with the finest engineering of its time. It includes features such as power-assisted brakes and a sturdy chassis for a secure ride. However, modern driver assistance features like lane keeping assist or automatic emergency braking are not present. As a vintage car, it's best suited for those who appreciate classic engineering and understand the driving style required. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow remains one of the most revered luxury cars of all time. With its timeless design, unparalleled comfort, and smooth performance, it continues to captivate the hearts of automotive enthusiasts. While it may not have the modern features and tech of today's cars, its legacy endures, making it a prized possession for collectors. If you're lucky enough to experience the Silver Shadow, you're driving a piece of automotive history. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. We'll see you in the next video.